Welcome to this video. In this video, we're gonna be talking about the new Pro Suite upgrade 2.84. We're gonna talk about the differences from the prior version, the addition. We have fixed a few minor bugs. So we will look at these changes right now. So now on this version, you will be able to change the lattice font size for the profile, which was not available before. So to do that, you have to click on the properties button at the top, and under the display tab, and under the font size category, you have here the profile letters font size. By default, it is set to 10, but you can modify the font size and it's going to be applied immediately on the profile. Let's say that I just increase it a little bit there. You can see here that the font size is changing. The next difference or addition is a new week reference report. So before, here at the top, we had a button called volume report, which is based on the best volume by bar report. It is still there, but now I have grouped these report under a reports button. So you still have access to this volume report. So you can see on each bar the volume for the best source, as well as the delta, the difference with the previous date. So, but that's not a difference. The difference, the addition now is a new week references report. So if you click on it now you have access to the week references that is being created on the chart. You can see here that on the current profile we have 2 week buys today. So, and they are shown here on the week reference report. You have the date as well as the time. We have these 2 week buy, we have the levels, and we have the reference that from which they come from. If you have historical week reference, they are going to be shown there also with the date and from which reference they are coming from. Just note that these references are being built on the live market, so they are not, when you load the indicator, they are not being drawn on historical profile. They have to be built on the current market, and at the end of the day, the software will save your week references, and now they are going to be available on the historical basis, and they are all here shown on this week reference report. A very nice addition, I think. You can also choose which references that you want to include in the week reference. To do that, you have to right click on the chart, you go to the indicator window, and I think it's right at the bottom under the week references here. So you have all these references that you can accept as and consider as a week reference. So by default, I think that the VWAP is not set to true, but all the other one, like the LVA, the overnight, which include the overnight high, the overnight low, the overnight halfback, settlement, open halfback, previous halfback extremes, previous naked highs and lows, POC, gaps, and long-term references coming from the monthly and the daily chart. So you can choose which reference that you consider as being a good reference to accept as a weak reference. I have also added a new button here at the top called videos. So if you click on that, you're gonna have access to the videos that I'm recording on the software, and you have also access to Jim Dalton webinars link here, where Jim has a lot of free recorded webinars on how to read the market, and very interesting stuff. And note that we have only one video recorded at this time, and this recorded video is talking about how to build the Pro Suite workspaces. But in the future, there are going to be a lot more than that. As soon as I record a video on the software, how to use it, it's going to be shown there. And also notice that we have a video button on the day chart also, and this video is related only to the day chart, and this video button here on the market profile chart is related only on for the market profile chart. And also please take note of the new look and feel for the buttons at the top. And also here on the volume profile from the Dalton template. Now the volume profile value area is being colored according to the value placement for the market on that day. For example, today the value area is overlapping to lower compared with yesterday, so that's why the letters are red here on the profile. But now you have also the value area from the volume profile that is being colored red because the value is overlapping to lower, not the volume value area, but we're always talking here about the TPO profile value area. Finally, one last changes that I would like to mention on this new upgrade is the continuous POC lines, as well as the continuous VA high and low lines and continuous halfback lines. All these lines, like here we are seeing on the current profile, the continuous POC line for the day. Before, this line was updated when the bar closed. It was not updated real time. Now it has changed with this new upgrade. Now it's being updated real time, also on the actual bar for the current profile. So this is the same thing here with the migration of the value area lines and the continuous halfback. So that's about it for the changes on this version. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it, and thank you very much for watching this video.